Hi, I'm Preeti.
And I'm Nachiket.
We are computer science graduate students at NC State and we would like to talk to you about using static analysis tools for Java.
There are two tools we would like to demonstrate, PMD and FindBugs. There are many ways in which you can use these tools. You can run them as Eclipse plugins or externally, such as from the command line. If you are a Java developer though, you would most probably be using Eclipse. Hence we'll demonstrate their use as Eclipse plugins. Instructions on how to install them are easily available online.
As you can see, this is the standard Eclipse Java perspective. Each tool has their own perspective which we can find under Windows, Open Perspective, Other. Here you can see both FindBug as well as the PMD perspective. We have opened both of them. Now, both these tools can run on either the entire project or an individual package within the project or an individual file within the package. Now, let us start with PMD. To run PMD, first we must decide on the source on which you want to run it. Suppose you want to run it on this package, you right click on the package, select PMD and do check code. Once PMD completes running, it will open in the PMD perspective, which has two panes, the violation overview pane as well as the violation outline pane. In the violation overview pane, it consists of the violating class, that is the class consisting of the bugs. Now along with the violation details. At the right side, you can see an interesting factor that the bugs are color coded based on the seriousness and the harmfulness of the bug. You can also disable as well as enable the priority levels based on which bugs you want PMD to detect. Now suppose you want PMD to detect only the serious bugs, then you can enable the priority levels from red to green and then disable the other two. In the violation outline pane, you can see the priority of the bug along with the line on which the bug is found, the rule which was used to find the bug, and the error message relating the bug. Based on this information, the user can decide whether he wants to uh, fix the bug or he can ignore the warning. Once the programmer has finished fixing the bugs, he can go back to the Java perspective and clear the bugs by right clicking on the project, PMD and clear violations.
Running FindBugs is similarly easy. The developer can either run FindBugs on the entire project or on a single package or an individual class. Now I choose the second package for running FindBugs. I can simply right click FindBugs and FindBugs, and then FindBugs will then scan all files in that package and search for known bug patterns. It then matches these patterns with the given code to show several bug warnings. Once FindBugs is finished checking for bugs, it will display the number of bugs found in that package next to the package name. If I switch to FindBugs perspective, I see the Bug Info pane and the Bug Explorer pane. The Bug Explorer pane classifies bugs according to the different bug categories such as bad comparison of signed byte and the number of bugs found for that category. I can click on any one of these bugs and it will take me directly to the line in the source code where that bug was found. The bug info pane will show me information relating to that bug, which will be useful for the developer to know more about that bug and also find suggestions to solve such bugs. The severity of the bug can also be found out from the color coding given to that bug, such as red might mean more severe and yellow might mean less severe bugs. Once the developer has checked code for all such potential bugs and is happy with his code, he can switch back to the Java perspective and right click, find bugs, clear bug markers.
From this, we can clearly see that static analysis tools have some obvious benefits. It can help a programmer spot bugs in the code that are easy to miss but very hard to debug. They can also help novice programmers learn about common programming mistakes, coding conventions, and the best practices to use and improve over several iterations of running the tool. Color coding bugs, classifying bugs, providing suggestions, and multiple interactive views can help the developer fix bugs more proactively.
There are disadvantages of using static analysis tools. the developer still has to ascertain the validity of the bug. Since a static analysis tool only considers a subset of all possible bugs, the reliability of such a tool is questionable. Also, static analysis tools do not always provide sufficient proof for the bugs, and hence it is difficult to find out whether a bug is genuine. Hence, there might be many false positives. As we saw with the FindBugs example, it is an overwhelming experience for the developer to see so many warnings and to decide whether it's a true positive or a false positive. There is some risk involved when a true positive is hidden amongst many false positives, and the developer might decide to ignore such warnings. There are many resources available that will give information regarding static analysis tools. You can always visit the PMD and FindBugs home pages, and there are also several reference pages that you can find. Thank you.
Thank you.